Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing legality and safety. Check warranty and local laws so you don't create irreversible problems. Once done, make a full backup of user data and system NAND to external storage, and ensure a reliable power supply to avoid corruption. You should also register with official developer programs or use sanctioned dev modes where available. This reduces risk and explains the why behind tool choices, so you can proceed with confidence and fewer surprises. You proceed using supported, community-vetted tools or official development kits rather than covert hacks. This preserves system integrity and keeps you within legal bounds. Make a step-by-step log with screenshots and timestamps so you can undo changes if needed, and always test procedures on a spare unit or emulator first to validate outcomes. This approach reduces risk and clarifies why a step worked or failed, and it makes collaboration with others more effective when complex issues appear. You finish by validating system stability, run diagnostics, confirm that all official services still function, and check that backups restore correctly. Once satisfied, document firmware, tool versions, and the exact configuration so you can replicate or reverse changes later. This is why record-keeping matters. If something goes wrong, the primary troubleshooting step is to restore your verified backup rather than attempting aggressive fixes, and then escalate to knowledgeable community members or official support if restoration fails.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.